Medtech sits at a pivotal moment. AI is no longer a future consideration. It's actually reshaping every stage of the value chain, from R&D through to commercialization. Our latest report with Microsoft, grounded in survey data from Medtech leaders, explores what the transformation really looks like in practice and what it means for organizations that want to stay ahead. AI doesn't just accelerate existing processes, it rewrites them entirely.
In Medtech, AI is changing the rules and providing opportunities, particularly in the areas of R&D and manufacturing simultaneously. Linear development models are being replaced by simulation-driven design and continuous learning loops, compressing timelines that once spanned decades. However, the issue is not speed alone. AI-enabled workflows have demonstrated the ability to compress early discovery timelines, and the outcome is that quality becomes predictive and embedded.
In Medtech, the opportunity for AI is huge. The potential for companies to move from automation to truly adaptive manufacturing, where AI-powered processes self-correct itself in real time, is waiting to be utilized. As AI becomes more deeply embedded across production and the quality system, it has a capacity to influence how Medtech companies think about efficiency, consistency, and scalability at a strategic level.
In broader life science industry, AI is creating competitive advantage in market segmentation, pricing, and health economics. Medtech needs to use the same advancements to their benefit. Within the larger Medtech area, wearables are emerging as a major frontier. The medical IoT market is projected to grow to around $134 billion by 2029, with connected devices already proving clinical value in areas like glucose monitoring and cardiac health.
Within Medtech, regulation is arguably the most complex dimension. While the technology has accelerated, the regulatory framework remains a moving target. The environment is still catching up with the technology, but forward-thinking organizations aren't waiting. They're actively participating in shaping that regulatory evolution.
For an industry weighed down by regulatory, quality, and supply chain constraints, AI is a direct opportunity on the cost structure, as well as a generational opportunity. McKinsey estimates $50 billion for Medtech in productivity gains alone, and another $50 billion in the net new revenue from AI-enabled services. The organizations that move now will set the terms of competition. AI embedded as an operating model, not bolted on, with safety and governance at its core, creates advantages that compound and are very hard to reverse. Humans are pivotal in the advancement of Medtech and AI, but finding the right talent remains one of the most pressing challenges for the industry.